Welcome to this tutorial. It will cover some new features for the seating chart and the group screen. These new features are first found on the Edit Student screen. So here I will go and edit Jeremy Banks. And as you can see further down, the characteristics for grouping is this new feature. And by default, there's three options. Right now, the defaults are IEP, ELL as English language learner, and gifted and talented. You can tap the edit button here to go ahead and edit those to your liking for what other characteristics might be useful for you, and also add a fourth one if you want. So for example, maybe I could put chatty for students that are very talkative. And the main goal for this is that these characteristics you can use on the seating chart or the group screen and easily see by the color coding if you want to put students in different groups spread throughout the class, or maybe you want to concentrate them in certain groups, and that makes that easy. So I'm going to mark Jeremy as IEP here, and let's go look at the seating chart. So as you can see, the seating chart right now has purple for the 3 students with IEPs, and pink for the 1 student that's an English language learner. And as you can see, we have Chad and Jeremy both in the same group. Let's say you want to actually put them in different groups. Now that it's easily identifiable, you can go ahead and maybe move Chad to that group and Brian over that way to spread them out. Or if you wanted them all together in one group, now you can easily do that. The other useful screen for these options are the group screen. Now when creating a new group, I'm going to remove that. Let's go to the top where we create new groups. There's the option for heterogeneous grouping, and I will choose a group size of 3 and create. And what this does, as you can see, is all the IEP students were placed in a different group. And the way the heterogeneous grouping, it treats all those characteristics as trying to spread them out throughout the whole class. If you don't check that button, then you could have 1, 2, or even all the, more students with those characteristics all in the same group. It also makes it easy. Let's say you want to move students, you can do remove here, and you can see also in the remove screen which students have IEPs or ELL or any other characteristics. So hopefully that will help you see visually where students are in your classes in the groups, but also make it easily to make purposeful groups based on those characteristics and depending on the needs for the lesson for that day or whatever time period is useful in your class. Thank you, and I hope you find it useful.